Have you ever wondered how your cells get the energy to survive, grow, and function every single second? Whether you are studying biology, medicine, pharmacy, or life sciences, there is one organelle you must master: the mitochondrion. Often called the powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria do much more than just produce energy. In this video, we will explore everything a university student needs to know about mitochondria, from their structure to their functions, genetics, and role in disease. Let's get started. A mitochondrion is a double membrane organelle found in almost all eukaryotic cells. Cells that require a lot of energy, such as muscle cells, neurons, and liver cells, contain a large number of mitochondria. Their main function is to produce ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency of the cell, through a process known as cellular respiration. One of the most important concepts for university exams is the endosymbiotic theory. This theory states that mitochondria originated from free-living aerobic bacteria that were engulfed by a primitive eukaryotic cell. Instead of being digested, the bacteria formed a symbiotic relationship with the host cell. Evidence supporting this theory includes mitochondria have their own DNA. Their DNA is circular, like bacterial DNA. They contain 70S ribosomes, similar to prokaryotes. They replicate independently by binary fission. They have a double membrane. Understanding mitochondrial structure is essential. The outer mitochondrial membrane is smooth and permeable. It contains porine proteins allowing small molecules to pass. It separates mitochondrion from cytoplasm. The intermembrane space is the space between the outer and inner membranes. It is important for proton accumulation during respiration. The inner mitochondrial membrane is highly selective and impermeable to ions. It contains proteins of the electron transport chain. It is folded into structures called cristae. The more cristae, the higher the ATP production. The mitochondrial matrix contains enzymes of the Krebs cycle. It contains mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA. It has ribosomes, tRNA, and enzymes. Mitochondria are unique because they have their own genetic material. mtDNA is inherited only from the mother. It codes for some mitochondrial proteins. Most mitochondrial proteins are still encoded by nuclear DNA. Mutations in mtDNA can cause mitochondrial diseases. This maternal inheritance is very important in genetics and medicine. The primary role of mitochondria is energy production. Pyruvate from glycolysis enters the mitochondrion and is converted to acetyl-CoA. The Krebs cycle occurs in the matrix and produces NADH and FADH2. It releases CO2. The electron transport chain is located in the inner membrane. Electrons pass through protein complexes. Protons are pumped into the intermembrane space. Protons flow back through ATP synthase and ATP is produced. This process produces the majority of cellular ATP. Mitochondria are not just energy factories. Mitochondria play a key role in apoptosis by releasing cytochrome C. They activate caspases, which is essential for development and cancer prevention. Mitochondria help regulate intracellular calcium levels, important for muscle contraction and signaling. In brown adipose tissue, mitochondria produce heat instead of ATP via uncoupling proteins. Mitochondria are involved in fatty acid oxidation, amino acid metabolism, and steroid synthesis. Mitochondrial dysfunction can lead to serious diseases. Examples include muscle weakness, neurological disorders, cardiomyopathies, and lactic acidosis. These diseases often affect organs with high energy demand. Mitochondria are closely linked to aging due to the production of reactive oxygen species, ROS. They accumulate mtDNA mutations and decrease ATP production over time. This makes mitochondria a major focus in aging research. To summarize, mitochondria are far more than just the powerhouse of the cell. They are essential for energy production, metabolism, apoptosis, genetics, and cellular regulation. Understanding mitochondrial structure and function is crucial for any university student studying biology or health sciences. If you master mitochondria, you unlock a huge part of cellular physiology.